EU Red is a regulation that applies to manufacturers of products containing wireless radios, such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Updates have recently been made focusing on cybersecurity, data protection, and privacy, which applies to all products placed on the EU market on or after the 1st of August 2025. This video will provide you a step-by-step guide on the unboxing and setup process for your EU Red compliant Zebra printers. When unboxing your Zebra printer in the EMEA region, you'll find an insert containing a QR code and a URL. This insert confirms that your Zebra printer complies with EU cybersecurity regulations and directs you to a dedicated website for setup. On the Zebra EU Red homepage, you can learn more about EU Red compliance and see which products are impacted. From this page, you can launch the Security Setup Wizard, which will guide you step by step to set up your Zebra printer. The Security Wizard offers 3 methods to create a security setup file. This video will demonstrate the Windows computer method, which is the easiest and simplest. If you prefer, you can also use an Android or iOS device for this process. The Security Setup Wizard will generate a file that needs to be sent to your printer. Printer setup utilities can be used to easily send a file to the printer, and this can be downloaded from the URL currently on the screen. Firstly, install printer setup utilities onto your computer. Then, connect the printer to your computer using a USB cable and turn on the printer. Printer setup utilities will be used later in the process to send the security setup file to the printer. As a part of the setup process, you'll need to create an admin password for your printer. This must be a minimum of 14 characters. This does not need to be unique for each printer and can be reused for your entire print fleet if desired. Please note this password is not stored by Zebra and will only be embedded in a code that is included in the security setup file. You will need to type in a valid password before proceeding. Additionally, you can turn on protected mode if you want to prioritize security and controlled access on the printer. Next, configure additional security settings. Use the toggles in the wizard to enable or disable settings you prefer. If your printer has a front panel, you'll also need to set a 4-digit PIN. These settings help customize your printer security based on your requirements. Once you've completed the configuration, the wizard will generate a security setup file based on your selected settings. There is a button underneath the security setup code that allows you to easily copy the file. To send the file, click the Copy to Clipboard button in the wizard and go to the printer setup utility software on your computer. Then open communication with the printer and paste the setup file and send it to the printer. After the file is sent, the printer will perform a network reset and to apply the new configuration. If you need to set up additional printers, you can send the same file to multiple printers in the Printer Setup Utilities tool to apply these identical settings. That's it. Your printer security setup is now complete. You can use other tools such as Zebra Setup Utilities and PPME for further printer setup. For more details on this new process, please visit our dedicated EU Red website.